going on, YouTube fam? I'm back with the S197, and I'm having some problems with the airlift. Well, I'm not gonna say the airlift in particular. It's I think it's called a pillow bearing in the front strut, and I'm finna try to get that changed out. I'm finna get this strut off, let this air out. I'm gonna show y'all what the sounds like, so anybody who has airlift on their car, they'll know what to expect and how to do the install, how to do it themselves without having to spend a lot of money. I think the pillow bearing is only like $20, $25. I got a few of them that I ordered before, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Okay, I'm not sure if you can hear it because got some grass cutting going on. 1 second. Bad. This is inside of this. So now you just gotta get all this out, which ain't finna be easy, but I'll be back. right, so that's it. As you can see, that wasn't a pretty bad install. I'm about to get this key in there and get it turned to see if it's still gonna make the noise or not. I may have to end up ordering new bearings for it again because I ordered these bearings a while ago and they kind of sat outside, so they was kind of rusted. I let them set in WD-40 whatever overnight and try to get them oiled up. And I end up changing the nuts in it because they come with alley head nuts or some shit like that. I end up putting some regular nuts in it and the bearing part itself, which make it easier to install and uninstall if I need to. So got everything back together. It ain't the hardest job in the world. I mean, it's a couple steps I probably would have done different, but other than that, I'm finna make sure it sounds right. I'm finna make sure everything buttoned up with it, and I'm out. Catch me next time. Just a quick confirmation that everything is fixed. The wheel is turned. Making no noise. Then it's back on the ground, ready to go. So